Alright, I'm holding it. You want me to play for you?
Bill, come up with my skin slowly now. Hold me. Something on Booby. I'm moving.
Does she like pooping? Guy.
Yeah, you will hear on me like you like sema mbele. Unasikia aje? Sasa huku kunakuja na bei kama kunakuja na bei kisa iko. Basi tukoje kidogo. Kama sasa unasikia kuku. Wewe unasikia bei. Like now you feel it. Are you feeling it now? Yes. Oh, we check. How the size is be maybe.
Sometimes it may not go away completely, but the baby is almost here. So that's almost there. Let me check when you're having that.
Wait.
That's the best time to push. Let me check as you push. Mary? Let me check as you push. No, you can't push without me checking. You're going to tear.
Don't push.
So just relax. Let me see.
Relax.
Good.
Relax.
Okay. So you're ready to push, huh? So I want you to turn it face up.
Yeah, they're ready to push.
And then now for this part.
You hear that? Sweetie, you hear that? You hear that? They're ready to push. You're ready.
So Mary, the time for pushing, you have to allow me to examine you, okay? Yeah, so you have to open up your legs nicely. Allow me to check, okay? Yeah, you can't close your legs when the baby is coming out. You have to open up and create space.
Yeah.
So you just put your knees completely and get ready to push. The sooner you push, the sooner the pain goes away completely.
Yeah. You hear that, sweetie?
That's right. Hapa tutakuwa na active management ya dance. Sawa. Unaweza kwa bala hivi. Yeah, you take a deep breath.
Take a sip kidogo.
Come closer to this side. The other leg here. So it stays folded. You don't touch the upper part. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. That's not touch. Stay like that. And now I want you to lift your bum. Put this under you. Buttocks. Lift yourself. You like pushing? Let's go. Bring your head to your chest. Are you able to reach your ankles? Put your hands into the socks and reach your ankles. Pull them as close to your body as possible. And then push like you're pooping. No sound. You can't push out your legs like that. Hold your ankles. I'm just wiping you. Help her lift her head to her chest. That's where you're going. Lift her head to her chest. Okay, good. So now you open your eyes nice. Create space for the baby. Sorry, just relax. Relax again. Relax. The head is just here. I want to break your waters. No, don't push my hand. Pull your legs back. Pull your legs back as far as you can go. Just pull your legs back. I want to break your water very well. The head has gone down really well. Open your legs. Stop pushing like that. Pull your legs closer to your body like that. Yeah, push this one. So now with the next contraction, alafu ingisha mkono yako hapo ndani. Hapo ndani vuta mkono yako karibu na wewe, ili nyingine itakusaidia. Shika hapo, leta karibu na wewe kabisa. The next contraction, get this baby out, yeah? So, baby is just here. What was that one thing? Water. The baby is water. With the next contraction, you push, like you're pooping. You have to close your mouth, hold your breath, and then without making a sound.
Like that.
No, don't make a sound. You know the way you poop when you're constipated? Like that. You push down here. Go. That's a good push. Keep going. A quick breath in, hold it again. Push. No, keep pushing. Push. Don't close your legs. Just push. Push. Mary, open this leg. Pull it closer to your body. Like that, yes.
Go local.
this baby out. Give us a continuous push, okay? A continuous push so that you get out a baby who's okay, yeah?
You can see the head?
I can see the head, so it's just you to give us the baby.
Those are just long things.
So, you know.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours finished and done with this chapter. The next chapter now is to raise baby Jahmesh.
You should ask me
Mm.
how I got up from the wheelchair to here.
Oh, you got up.
It was quite a hassle.
Eh.
It was quite a hassle.
Mm.
And the last one time we were struggling and I'm like, it's my first what? I'm barely 3 hours.
Yeah. Mm.
Just, I can barely lift my legs, but I did
Mm.
it.
You did it.
I had to.
Want to rise this up a little? As we let me look go and get the food and get these things and stuff. You get your mom, our
Are
Jamaican
you
sister
happy
come.
about your birthday gift?
Of course I'm happy, sweetie. I'm more than happy. This is the best. This is the first birthday I ever actually buy a cake, family. First birthday actually buy a cake.
I'm wondering if
So-
I'm comfortable with him being on this side and on this side. Again, on this side.
Yeah, the wind there. Yeah, time stay on that side. Alright, family, let's go. Alright. Go for over them. Yeah. Alright. They will come and give you food, I think. When you care about that plate, they wash it out. So I'll put the soup in it. I don't know, sweetie. You have to go pick your mom. You tell your mom that I'm coming, right? You tell her?
Yes, I did. I don't know. I hope she's
Tell
ready.
her to get
But you
ready.
can call her again. You can pass me her.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours just push out Jahmesh safe and sound. All is well. She's having some fruits, and Jahmesh is over there, family. So we give praise to the Most High, gratitude, and we give thanks that everything was safe and sound. You know it's my birthday, family, so I'm gonna go down to get a cake, and we're gonna celebrate Jahmesh and Ramesh. Same birthday. How awesome is that? This is like the feeling I get when I actually, when I touch down in Africa. It's another feeling I get when I actually came back to Jamaica, and it's another feeling now that my son is on my birthday. So, you know what I mean? It's a great feeling. I just feel like I'm just dreaming, and I just can't believe someone can be so special. And this don't happen to a lot of people. So I am grateful, and I give thanks to the Most High, the creator of the universe. So I'm out.
shortage. That's what we call them. We need to give you something rich so that you breastfeed, isn't it? Welcome. So maybe some of the kitchen so that we can serve you. You know, there's me the last one to see, not me. You take care of you. And you are lovely.
Yeah, family. So I ordered a cake from Cake City, and it's delivered right at the hospital. As you know, guys, today is my Earth Day, my son Earth Day, and my Jamaican sister Earth Day. How awesome is that, family? So I buy a cake, and this cake is what we're gonna use to celebrate this new life. Okay, so this is it. Can I put it in this? Can it hold? Side. So that's the cake, family, from Cake City. It's actually a fruit cake. Yeah, family, it's actually a fruit cake.
Can I show you?
Hmm?
Can I show you?
It's a fruit cake. Show it to me. It's a fruit cake. Should be a fruit cake. Don't want to mix up. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, happy birthday, Ramesh, Jahmesh, and Avagi. Alright, nice. Alright, family. So that's the cake. And I'm actually outside the hospital. And this is what it looks like in Nairobi, Kenya. Alright, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, perfect. Huh? For delivery? Oh, they never tell me anything about delivery. They said delivery is free. No, they never tell me anything about delivery. But how much is it for delivery?